First off, we put some bait into the trap. This is old tilapia offcuts. You can use these for about a week. Sometimes it doesn't look like there's any meat left on them, but they still work. Then Toon's going to show you how to tie it on to the end of the bamboo pole without tying it. Like magic.
Tanta.
Just put a smooth stone in there to weight it down. It's got to be smooth, otherwise it will break the net. And then secure it.
Oh, crab. Oh, full with the crayfish. Wow. Think pregnant, not this one.
Maybe.
2, 3. Ơi, still cung à? 4 that boy, I think. Is it 4? 5. Can we tom yum? 6, 7, 8. Wow. Can I just eat them? Oi. Oi.
Sorry, dear.
Thank you. Leave me now.
Get it right in the corner, then I can.
Wow. Có chế này.
Try to get it same place so the camera can see. That's it. What about try get one, take one out your hand?
What, they're not pin you?
No, it's got no teeth.
Sorry, I just
Hang on.
make me jump. I know I'm scared. Why you let me do it? Wow.
There, just put your finger in. Go on.
No, they know it. I'm scared.